Hey Glam Crew, it is your girl Nikki, the glam teacher. Okay, where we talk about everything glamorous, unglamorous, the good, the bad, the ugly. We talk about it all. We talk about travel, fashion, body positivity, product reviews. We just do it all. Don't lock yourself in a box. Do it all. Have you ever been told by your mama, we got food at home, I'm not stopping at McDonald's? Yeah, okay. I had to tell myself today, we got alcohol at home, we not going to the club. Yeah, I had to tell that to myself, y'all, because why is the club so expensive? Why for one little drink is $21? $21. But I be trying happy hour out, and I was at Benihana, okay, and I tried this drink. They called it a, let me look, okay, see, this is why I be in the house, because I'm too goofy to be outside. But okay, let me look. They called it a Rose Sangria, right? And I was like, this drink tastes good. Let me try and make it at home. But when I went to the liquor store was like, this don't even got sangria in it. They just call it that. This is like whatever they want to make it. So you're gonna need Ciroc red berry vodka, 3 cups of rosé wine. We got the rosé wine right here. This is what I'm using. And oh, please drink responsibly. It depends on what country you're in. I'm in the United States of America. You need to be 21 years of age. If you in Jamaica, you only gotta be 18. But we in America, you need to be 21. And it's a warning label on here. If you are impregnated, I'm not trying to put that on nobody unless that's what you're praying for. Do not drink this. Don't do it. But we got our sparkling rosé wine. And then I didn't want to commit to a pint or liter. Just a little bottle of the Ciroc peach was like $18. I don't like vodka, but when I drank this drink, y'all, it was actually good. It was actually real good. So I'm like, maybe I might be a vodka girly. But back in college, vodka used to have me on the flow. What Lotta said, put it on the flow. Your girl used to be on the flow back in college. So I don't do vodka no more. This is my drink of choice, and I love this particular tequila. This Termina tequila, oh my. It's smooth. It's smooth. You're gonna feel it. It's gonna get you there. And this was like $21, I believe. It was somewhere between $16 and $21. And the peach Ciroc, the same size, was between $17 and $21. One bottle was $17, one was $21. I can't remember which was which. But this is smooth, Glam Crew. For our rosé sangria that supposedly Benihana uses, let me show y'all what the recipe is. Okay, so it says it has Ciroc red berry vodka, rosé wine, fresh lemon juice, raspberry puree, topped with a splash of Prosecco. Now the La Macaria Prosecco, they did have them, but they had these for like $2 cheaper. It's the same thing. It's still Prosecco. I know the other one got like the light blue design. This was $2 cheaper, and I'm just trying it out to see which one I am going to like better. I'm not a bartender. I don't even drink at home. I only drink when I'm out socially. So this is something new for me. I'm just about to mix, pour, bend, stretch, shake, and let it go. Breathe, stretch, hot. What Mace said? I'm telling my age. If you don't know who Mace is, then okay. And then we got this raspberry puree. So let's get a glass. I was making my favorite snack. I was gonna cut this up and show y'all, but then I was like, dang, the video was long. So this is my favorite snack. I call it a cucumber salad. We got cucumber in here. We got some green onion, which I call scallion. Me and my cousin boyfriend in Jamaica was talking. He like, y'all Americans call it green onion. This is scallion. I'm like, I call it scallion too. And I always call it scallion. Tomato, and usually I put peppers in it. I didn't have no peppers. Put a little salt and pepper in here. And then I add my vinegar. Not vinegar, yuck. I don't like vinegar, why I say that? I add my Italian dressing. This not open yet. I'm gonna open it in a minute. And I pour it in there and I let that sit overnight. Amazing. Tastes delicious. You're gonna love it. Smell good too. Let me just eat a little. Anyhow, so now we got vodka, y'all. And I'm not a fan of peach. We got strawberry flavored vodka. This got 30%. Dang. This little bottle got 30% alcohol. Gosh. 30% alcohol, y'all. And these were like $1.50, $1.29 each. I think $1.29 each. This probably got like, okay, this 11% alcohol. Yeah. And with this, I'm gonna make some margaritas. If this don't come out good, I'm just gonna do margarita. Call it a day. Now, we could do this. Let's see. I told you I don't even be in here drinking. I don't even know if I got like the right type of stuff. Let me rinse this out. So we're gonna try and follow the recipe. The recipe that I pulled up is telling me like how to make a picture of it. I'm not trying to make no big picture. I'm just making this for me. So I'm going to try and only do like enough to where I'm pretty much about to, I'm just about to pour some stuff and call it a night. I'm at home, I'm chilling. Why not? Why not? I just finished dinner. I just want to enjoy myself responsibly. Let me put my recipe back up. Okay, so it says I'm gonna use 3 cups of rosé wine. So that's where the majority is. I don't have a lemon. A cup of the raspberry puree, one bottle of Prosecco, and also 1.5 cup of the Ciroc. We just about to make some stuff. It seemed like the rosé wine is the most of this, and then yeah, rosé wine. So we're gonna pour majority rosé wine, and then the majority of the Prosecco. Let's just pour some stuff, y'all. So we got our, let's see, where's a good way where I can show them? Y'all can see like, y'all. Don't cover me, this is my first time making this kind of video, y'all. This right here, bam. So we said our Prosecco, no, the rosé wine. So we got our rosé wine. Let's pour that in here. And this cup is not that big. Okay. We know we're gonna use 2 of these strawberry flavored vodkas. This say 30% alcohol. Let's start with 1. I got 1 in there. And then we're gonna add the Prosecco. Let's unwrap this little baby bottle. Okay. Okay, I'm glad there's just a twist top. It ain't doing no big popping. We ain't popping no bottles tonight. Add your little bit of Prosecco. All right, we got the Prosecco in there. Next, we're going to add this. Was I supposed to, oh, it has a margarita recipe on here, y'all. Got a little margarita, so. See, I can follow me a simple little margarita. All you need is the raspberry mix, the tequila, and the ice. I got tequila. I got raspberry mix. This just might have to be a thumbnail, y'all. We might have to have your doing. A little Rasputia going on. How we open this? See, y'all can tell I ain't no drinker. Okay, we got a top up here. Now, wait a minute. How am I supposed to? See, times like this when I miss my friends, because, like, this would be so fun figuring this out with my homegirls. But I've been in a bad mood, y'all. I'm going through things, and my mood been up and down. I don't want to bring nobody in my messiness, so I just been figuring it out on my own. And I know my friends wouldn't mind, especially if you got a little sippy sip. But hey, it smells good. Y'all want to smell it? Smells like street rush, baby. And we gonna do a little splashy splash of that. Ooh. Okay. I don't got no ice, y'all. My ice maker be too loud. I don't like loud stuff. I need my house quiet. This that other strawberry vodka. I need my house quiet. My ice maker loud, so I turned it off. I don't have no ice, so it is what it is. Let's add a little. Top it off. We almost got 2 bottles in there because in the store, the guy was like, add two of these. And I said, oh, okay. Y'all, my dishes is in the dishwasher. If you eat out a lot, I'm sure you too have a drawer of to-go silverware with the salt, pepper, napkin, and spork. Yeah, don't talk about me. Mind your business. Let's give it a little stir. Let's see. Taste test. Ooh, this is good. Yes. This right here, if I had some ice, that would be perfect. Ice would be perfect. Not too sweet. Very, very fruity. I barely taste the vodka. I don't get too much Prosecco in it, like the sparkling champagne-ness. I'm not getting that, but it's definitely giving exactly what Benihana gave me for $12. Yeah, this is lit. Go ahead and give this a little try. Now, I can't tell y'all what measurements I use. Y'all seen what I did. Y'all better pour like y'all better pour like that and do what y'all need to do. Let's add the rest of this. Okay. And I think it could use a tad bit more of this. Bam. I like the Prosecco in it. Okay. Little stir. Taste test number 2. Ooh, now this, yeah, this better. So adding a little bit more of this, a splash of that, the Prosecco was good. I think less of the rosé wine did the trick. This right here, top tier. But I'm trying to figure out how I'm about to I'm glad I'm at home, but like, why is this really 30%? Okay, for $2.50. I see, next time I go out, y'all, I'm about to, can't even tell it's in there, King. Nope. Where all my scamming? Go in that, go your bed. Spin that. Spin that. Spin it. Spin it. Yeah, spin it. Spin it. Spin it. Yes, next time I go to the club, I'm definitely about to bring one of these. And if they catch it, I'm just gonna be like, go, 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 go. Like, all right, let me in the club. Wear a pair of boots to put in my boots. Bye, Glam Crew. Let me know if y'all want to see more videos like this. No, don't let me know if y'all want to see more videos like this, because I'm not a big drinker. I'm just bored in the house and I want to have a little fun. Going through things. Going through things. Okay, so thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.